Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tubing flaring tool is probably one of the most important tools you'll ever own, whether you're a professional plumber, an automotive enthusiast, or a DIY homeowner tackling a home repair project. Ensuring leak-free connections in various applications, from air conditioning systems to brake lines, and mastering this fundamental skill will save you time, money, and potential headaches down the line, making it an invaluable addition to any toolbox. Number 5. Thorstone Flaring Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for creating precise 45-degree flares on various materials. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It easily handles copper, aluminum, magnesium, and soft steel brake lines, as well as brass tubing. It's a versatile tool for many applications. The kit includes everything you need: a flaring cone, flaring bar, tube cutter, 5 adapters, and a convenient blow-molded case for easy storage and transport. It's built to last with a heat-treated steel flaring bar and forged yoke for strength and durability. The chrome swivel reduces friction for smooth operation. With 5 adapter sizes, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2, and a cutter for 1/8-5/8 pipe, it handles a wide range of jobs. Use it on brake lines, air conditioning lines, and more. We stand behind our product with lifetime support and 24/7 customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It boasts a comprehensive set of adapters, ensuring compatibility with various tubing sizes. Its robust build ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals and serious DIYers alike. If you need a reliable, all-in-one solution for multiple tubing types and sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as it should and price well. Needed to flare some brake lines and had no experience. Watched some videos, picked up this flaring tool kit. And 30 minutes later had new flared brake lines. Did a few practice runs to get the feel for the tool, and after some adjustments to my technique, worked great for me. This kit works as advertised and did a great job of double flaring my brake lines. No leaks when assembled. Number 4. Wostore Tubing Flaring Tool Kit. This flaring tool kit makes creating precise 45-degree flares a breeze. It's perfect for various tubing materials and sizes. It comes with 7 dies, covering 3/16-inch to 3/4-inch tubing. You'll be prepared for any job. The simple clamp screw and large feed screw handle make it easy to use, even for beginners. You'll get consistent results with minimal effort. The hardened steel flaring cone ensures even metal flow, preventing damage to your tubing. It creates beautiful, uniform flares every time. The sturdy plastic case keeps everything organized and makes it easy to transport your kit to any job site. It's ready to go whenever you are. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is a must-have for all your flaring needs. It's built to last and deliver superior results. What we like. This tool guarantees perfectly formed flares every time, thanks to its precision design. The wide range of sizes included caters to diverse projects. If you prioritize accuracy and ease of use, this tool is your best bet. What people say. Ingenious tool which created perfect flares every time on copper refrigerant hoses. Eccentric wedge rolls the flare into shape, which helps prevent uneven or pitted flares. My first practice flare was better than the factory flare on full line set. Product is well constructed and easy to operate. Seems like it will last for a long time. The flares it produces are excellent. After a successful nitrogen test and vacuum test with no issues, we went live. Easy to use, do a little practice first. Number 3. Aries 18019 Double Flaring Tool Set. This is the Aries 18019 Double Flaring Tool Set, your comprehensive solution for all your flaring needs. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. The kit comes with various adapters to fit tubing sizes from 1/4-inch to 1/2-inch, as well as a mini tubing cutter and a convenient storage case. Everything you need is right here. It features a forged yoke made from premium heat-treated steel and a chrome-plated alloy steel swivel for reduced friction. This ensures durability and smooth operation. This tool set is perfect for creating single or double flares on copper, aluminum, brass, magnesium, and soft steel brake lines. It's incredibly versatile. Aries tools are known for their quality and reliability. If you experience any issues, our customer service team is here to help. Aries is proud to support the ASPCA. A portion of the proceeds goes to help animals in need. What we like. Made from high-quality steel, it's built to withstand heavy use. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a wide array of applications. If you value a tool that's tough, dependable, and gets the job done efficiently, this one is for you. What people say. Worked great and well worth the money. Functions well. Followed the video on YouTube and made a perfect double flare on the first try. Did it by hand, didn't need to use a vice grip, that's how easy it was. Number 2. Capri Tool CP21110-316 Double Flaring Tool. This tool is designed for efficiency. It makes creating high-quality double flares quick and easy. It's compatible with 3/16 inches. Non-stainless steel, nickel, and copper tubing. Perfect for brake lines and more. Its compact size allows for convenient use in various locations, even tight spaces. Work on or off the vehicle with ease. The detachable die enables use with a bench vise for added versatility and control. It adapts to your workspace. It's easy to use. All you need are 10mm and 17mm wrenches to get started. Get professional results quickly. It creates perfect 45-degree SAE double flares every time. Save time and effort with this reliable tool. What we like. Its small size makes it perfect for working in tight spaces. It's designed for speed and precision, saving you valuable time. If you need a portable tool for quick and easy flaring, especially in confined areas, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The vise for holding the tubing uses 10mm bolts to compress the fitting. There is no movement of the tubing when the bolts are tightened. Fittings to flare the tubing are strong, solid steel. My first try using this tool was successful. Create smooth and perfect inverted flare mating surfaces. Very easy to use. The handle is removable, allowing the flaring plates to be mounted in a vise, which is really the best way to use this thing. Double flares were excellent every time. Number 1. Yellow Jacket 60278. This flaring tool handles a wide range of tubing sizes, making it perfect for various applications. Its innovative design ensures precision and ease of use. It's designed to work with copper, brass, and aluminum tubing, from 1/8 to 3/4 inch OD. You'll be able to tackle any flaring job with confidence. The self-centering yoke ensures a precise 45-degree flare every time. This prevents damage to the tubing and guarantees a perfect fit. It features an automatic tube height gauge for accurate and consistent results. This eliminates guesswork and ensures professional-looking flares. This tool is made in the United States, guaranteeing high quality and durability. You can rely on it for years of reliable service. With its comprehensive features and reliable performance, it's the ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get yours today. What we like. It handles a wide range of tubing sizes with ease and accuracy. The self-centering design ensures perfect flares every time. If you need a tool that's both versatile and precise, this is the one for you. What people say. This one is streamlined for easy use. Everything is sort of built into it all in one piece. It makes beautiful flares. This was so easy to use. I've never flared copper mini split line sets. I did 5 total units and all flares tested out good. This is nicer and easier than the old style. Another great product from Yellow Jacket. I've used all types of ratcheting and manual flare tools, and this is by far the easiest and most reliable to use. I use this at the very least 6 times a day and I love it every time. This is a must-have, as it is foolproof and gives a perfect flare every time as long as you don't over-tighten when you're flaring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.